First, file from the inside to outside of the tooth. I still prefer to go from the inside to outside on square filing also. Filing guides can make it easier to hold the file in correct angles and heights. You still must look and maintain the proper angles. Freehand with a bench vise. Definitely the most secure and stable filing position. Straight up or not at that angle here, so I've got about 25 degrees. So any off angles, high or low file to the chisel and gullet area, will show up quickly. You can turn the saw around 180 degrees. In this upright position, you can still be able to use the same hand to hold the file. And then just roll it over to be able to check the other teeth. So you're always looking at the cutting surface or cutting face of the tooth. This gives the sharpener a perfect view of the angles. And this is Tim Hard wishing you good sawing.